Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try the cheeseburger pizza, guys, from Domino's. I'm eager to try this out. It smells amazing. So instead of red sauce, it has like mustard ketchup mixture. I can actually smell it right now. It has ground beef, tomatoes, onion, and cheese. Here's a close-up. It actually smells really, really good, guys. Not gonna lie. So I'm super excited to try this out. So let's try it out, guys. Let's try it out. Guys, that is so really good. It reminds me of like the little cheeseburgers from McDonald's. Because the little cheeseburgers have like ketchup and mustard. It's really good. It really tastes like a cheeseburger. I can't believe it. Oh my god, I love it. Wow. We're drinking some cinnamon Coke. I only have a couple of Cokes left in the refrigerator. Yeah, I've always wanted to try a cheeseburger pizza. I've heard about it. I think Papa John's had one. I don't know if they still have one. I think theirs came with pickles. I don't know what kind of sauce they put on there. It would be interesting if they put Thousand dressing. But I do like the ketchup mustard. Yeah, it's really good. The end part is kind of dry, just like really no sauce, just like kind of little cheese. It's really puffed up. But the end part has like a nice Parmesan crust to it. It's really good. I like it a lot. Yeah, so the end part is kind of crusty, and it's also, I don't know if you can see these bubbles right here. This one right here. It's kind of like salty and like cheddar-like. It's really good. I did not expect this to be this good. I did see some reviews on YouTube. A lot of people liked it. Most people prefer the cheeseburger pizza. They have another specialty. I think it's called chicken taco pizza. And most people prefer the cheeseburger one better. They think it was better. So this is $11.99 for a large. When I ordered on the phone, the girl was like, do you want a medium or a large? Oh, medium. I mean cheaper. I don't remember the price on the medium, but she did say the large was cheaper. It's your better price, so I went with the large. So. Today's Friday night around 9:30 p.m. A little bit late to eat, but it took me a while to order. But so I got back from my trip 2 days ago. I think on Wednesday. So I really rested Wednesday. I went over to see my sister and her kids. Everybody missed, but my family missed me here. Everybody missed me here, so especially my niece, she really wanted to see me. So niece, I think she's the only one that watches my videos in my area. But she misses me a lot. So it's nice to be back home near my family in my area. I have two families, one in my area, one in San Diego. One time I had a Domino's pizza. I was collabing with, I forgot this one guy, and he wanted to go to Domino's. Oh yeah, sure, Domino's, sure. I get like a small pepperoni pizza. It was alright, nothing special. This is so good though. I can't believe how good this is. Yeah, I wanted to try out a cheeseburger pizza because two of my favorite foods are cheeseburgers and pizza. I love them both. So like I said, I just got back home a few days ago. I have like 3 or 4 videos to edit. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. I don't know if I should post it now or if I should wait, or in the middle, or if I should post a few videos now and then post later. But I might wait in the middle or something like that. So hopefully by the time you see this video, you at least see 1 or 2 of my mukbang videos. My family, we filmed 4. Hopefully they all turn out good. I had some sound issues, so on some of them there is some sound issues, but hopefully they turn out really well. So I can tell you guys about my trip a little bit since I'm back. I got there Friday around 11 or 12 p.m. 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. We went to a lunch at this, I forgot the restaurant name, but you know, there's a vlog coming up, so that's coming up. You will see the vlog, but it was right by the water. So that was nice. My brother had a hamburger and there was a knife in the middle of the hamburger. Me and my mom had fish and chips. That was really nice. And then we rested that day, took a nap. We had sandwiches for dinner, nothing special. We weren't super hungry for dinner because it was kind of a big meal for all of us. And Saturday and Sunday, we didn't really do much because it was so hot. It was like 112 degrees in San Diego. So we just decided to stay home. I think we went to the store once or twice. And my brother made me and my mom mudslides. So we did a mukbang video. So that should be really fun. It was a pretty good mudslide. I really want to make one here actually. And Saturday night we did make chicken fajitas, so that was really cool. We all helped make the food. That was really fun to do. We filmed the mukbang video. And Sunday was a chill day. It was also 112 degrees, so we stayed inside. I think I might have had I think we had sandwiches for lunch, and I think we had some leftover chicken fajitas for dinner. I'm gonna try some of this. I know a lot of people like ranch and they're like, hey, where's the ranch? So I'm gonna put some ranch on here. It definitely doesn't need it. It's really good, but I know a lot of people are like, hey, where's the ranch? So for my ranch lovers, I will be dipping some of this pizza in here to try it out. I always believe that if a pizza is really, really good, you don't need any sauce. Like the French fries from McDonald's. I just did a review of a meal at McDonald's yesterday, and the meal it came with barbecue sauce, and it's like, the McDonald's fries are so good, you don't really, at least for me, you don't need sauce. But anyway, let's try some ranch to see, for my ranch lovers. Yeah, this is not good with the pizza. It takes away, let me just try one bite. Okay, let me see one bite here. No. It's not bad. I don't think it needs it, but it's actually pretty good. And then on Monday, me and my mom went to Little Italy. My brother wanted to rest that day. It's been tough for all of us going out. So my mom never been there. She was really happy to be there, and I really wanted to be there because I wanted to come here to San Francisco, Little Italy. And definitely San Diego, Little Italy. I didn't think it would be like this. It was way more busier, way more restaurants, cafes. It was a whole big event. It was crazy. Lots of restaurants, lots of cafes, lots of outside dining. The pasta place I chose, I didn't really care for it. The pasta was really like kind of mushy, overcooked, overdone. I like al dente pasta. My mom, I think she said the sauce was too sweet. I think that's what she said. We didn't really care for it too much, but it was fun to get out, try some pasta, try cappuccino. And then Tuesday, the next day is my last day. My mom wanted to rest, and she thought it'd be a good idea for me and my brother to hang out. We really haven't hanged out a lot in this trip because he was going to school, so me and my brother, we took like the bus to the beach. It was kind of fun. So we had a really bonding experience at the beach. We filmed a mukbang video eating burgers. We did a lot at the beach. And I don't know why. I was so tired, man. When you travel, guys, it just drains your energy. So it's funny because this trip I was supposed to be relaxed. It was relaxing, but I don't know. It was hard to relax because I'm always working. If I'm not working, I'm either making a video or I'm editing a video. I never watch TV. I never watch Netflix. It's work. So honestly, I thought it was kind of hard for me to relax. So that was interesting. So then as we went to the beach, my mom made this amazing meal. It was so freaking good. I think it was called beef short ribs with sauerkraut. I think that's what you call that. It was really good. Baked potatoes, salad. It was the last day was the best day because going to the beach. Oh, and then after we ate, we did a live video and we titled it "My Brother's Looking a Tender Date for Me." I thought that was kind of like a fun video. It was fun. My brother was really funny in the video. And that was my trip, guys. I was there for 6 days. Not 6 full days, but I was in San Diego for 6 days. So I did want to tell you some of the movies we did see. My mom picked the movies out. I picked the last movie, but she picked most of them. And they were mostly black and white because she likes PG type movies. So one of them was called The Stolen Life. I like that movie a lot. I don't know if you ever guys seen that movie, but it's a black and white movie. There's lots of twists and turns about two sisters and dating. They were kind of both interested in the same guy. I don't want to go into too much detail because I don't want to ruin anything if you do want to see it. But yeah, it has lots of twists and turns. Out of the 3 black and white movies, that was my favorite. So my second favorite black and white movie we saw was called The Enchanted Cottage. It was kind of really interesting and different. It's about this girl and she was working in this cottage and people came in and came out. But there's like a love romance in the storyline and it's interesting. It's different. It's kind of like if you're in the cottage, I think after you get married, you change or your body changes. I don't want to go into too much detail about it, but that was pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And the third movie we saw was in black and white. It was called East of Eden. I can't remember much about it. Maybe that's why, because that's my third least favorite. But I do remember a young guy that was kind of good looking. And the movie I picked on Netflix, I forgot the name of it, but I think it's the top 10 movies in the US on Netflix. It's basically about this guy. He wants to sue a dating online company because he went on like 1,000 dates and he hasn't found love yet. So that was fun. I know my brother liked that movie a lot. So let me know if you guys seen these movies that I mentioned. I'm really curious. Oh, regarding the plane, they do require face masks on the plane and at the airport, unless when you're eating and drinking. Otherwise, they really want you to wear your nose and mouth at all times. I didn't really hear anybody complain about it or tell them you need your mask on. What's cool with COVID is you can't have anybody sit next to you unless you have a family member or a friend come. That's fine, but like a stranger, that seat next to you has to be empty. So the first time I went on the airplane going to San Diego, I had the whole world to myself. I couldn't believe it. I was so excited. The second time I had a girl sitting by the window seat. The middle seat was free, so that was still pretty cool. So when I came back home, I felt really weird, like I'm alone. This felt really weird, a little uncomfortable. Because I'm usually alone and I was with my mom and my brother for 6 days straight, 24/7. So it felt different, like, oh, I'm alone now. So yeah, I had yesterday and today off from Walmart. I work back at Walmart tomorrow from like 4:45 to 10, so it shouldn't be too bad. Well, guys, this pizza was really, really good. I didn't expect it to be this good. Then yeah, cheeseburger pizza. It's a weird combination, but it works. It works, guys. It works. It's really good. I can't believe it. Especially if you like McDonald's cheeseburgers, you might like it. You know, the little cheeseburgers. But I would give this 5 out of 5. I really like it. I'm just impressed how well it just tastes like a cheeseburger. I can't believe it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.